Back to another interesting tutorial in Alipay. If your Alipay account is fully verified, maybe for a very long time, or the Alipay account was recently verified, but you are trying to receive funds, and each time someone wants to send you money, you are getting a message like this: beneficiary account with risk, collection restricted. How do you fix this particular problem? Because without fixing this problem, your account will not be able to receive funds in Alipay. And I'm going to walk you through step by step with you and how we actually fix this problem and how this same Alipay account continue to receive money without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So just like what you see on the screen right here, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp right here, just like what you see right here. And this is the beginning of the message right here. Good morning. And this is the first screenshot that was sent to me by this particular person right here. First thing first, they do not aware whether their Alipay account is verified or not. So I asked them to send a screenshot from identity information. Then here, you can see here that the account is fully verified. But for the fact that the account is verified, they still not be able to receive funds in Alipay. And how do we solve the problem? First thing I did was that I asked for the Alipay account number and I test run the account to be sure that if the account can actually receive funds. And as at the time of trying the account, and I found out that the account is being fully verified, just like what you see right here. So you can see, so the account is fully verified. Now, what actually happened here that the account can no longer receive funds? Let me show you how we quickly fix it, and the account instantly start receiving funds. So you can see it right here. So here, I try to send some funds, and this is what pump up. You can't receive payment. You will need to contact Alipay support to leave restriction. Okay, thanks. Then this is follow. Here, this is let's listen to the voice note right here.
Okay, I should go to their customer care to lay complaint, Abby.
Now, just like what you see right here, beneficiary account security with security risk collection, blah blah blah. Now, what actually happened here is that I told this person here that they should go to their service notification in Alipay. When you have any issue in Alipay, always take note of your service notification message. That is where you see the proper action you need to take each time you have issue with your Alipay account. Just like what you see right here. So this is the message from the notification: restricting main account function. Restriction on main account functions such as paying, receiving, etc. So if you find yourself in this category, to lift restriction on the account, go ahead and click on appeal. So when you click on appeal, it takes you right here. Then you will be need to do identity verification, which can come in form of video verification or passport verification. Go ahead and click on start right here. So when you click on start, it's going to take you right here. So you can see still the name right here that video verification was required for this account. So when you get here, go ahead and click on agree and verify. Once you click on agree and verify, be ready to position yourself for a selfie and be ready to position your international passport data page. In this category, make sure that the international passport is your own account. The face on the international passport must be the same face on the face on the international passport must be your face. Do not use someone else's international passport for this type of verification. Once you submit your verification, then within a few minutes, your account is working normally. Please don't worry, the payment solution of your account is working normally. If you encounter any problem during payment process, we offer the following. So this is the next message after a successful upload of proof of identity. Then we try to send some fund into the account, and this is what exactly happened. You can see that the same account and the fund went through without any stress. It's that simple. So with that, the account continued to receive funds in Alipay. You can see the account still remains the same. It's that simple. So basically, this is how you simply fix the problem of collection restricted on your Alipay account most especially if your Alipay account has been fully verified in Alipay. It's that simple. If you still have questions for me as far as this particular tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure your link on 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, or IDFish, or you want me to be your Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about importation business, or you still want to know more about Alipay related, or you have any further related issue as far as this Alipay tutorial is concerned, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Let me see what I can do to help you to solve your Alipay account related issue. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.